Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to emote dash in Evade Mobile. Simply, the steps are the same as the dash emote in PC, so just follow these steps to do it. Firstly, open the Roblox game on your mobile device. Firstly, open the in-game menu and go to the Inventory or Emotes tab, then select an emote to equip. Press the assigned emote key, usually G by default, to begin performing the emote. While the emote animation is playing, quickly sprint or move in any direction. This cancels the emote but maintains the momentum, giving you a dash effect. To chain emote dashes, keep repeating the process, start the emote and cancel it with movement. And that's it guys, now you're ready to emote dash like a pro and outmaneuver opponents with style in Evade. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.